Health benefits of drinking hibiscus tea. In many parts of the world, the leaves and most especially the flowers of the hibiscus plant are boiled to yield a refreshing and healthy beverage. Because the resulting tea with a ruby red color is sour, hibiscus tea is also oftentimes called sour tea. The nicest thing about this well-loved herbal tea is it contains no caffeine, and it offers an assortment of health benefits. Hot or cold, you will surely love drinking hibiscus tea. You will adore it even more after watching the following benefits of consuming this tea. Hibiscus tea helps regulate blood pressure. Customarily, the hibiscus plant is used by traditional healers to manage high blood pressure. Mildly hypertensive individuals can benefit from drinking hibiscus tea on a regular basis, according to a 2008 report by the American Heart Association, or AHA. The beverage also has heart protective properties that can reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease. Drinking it may help lower cholesterol. It's no secret that a diet that's rich in fiber is one of the secrets to reducing the levels of bad cholesterol. Having your regular dose of exercise can help a lot too. If your doctor told you that your cholesterol levels is not in tip-top shape, try drinking hibiscus tea, which is known for its cholesterol-lowering ability. The herbal tea promotes liver health. Your liver is one of the many organs in your body that help neutralize toxins that cause an assortment of maladies. It's for this reason why your liver should be kept in an optimal state all the time. The consumption of hibiscus tea is said to be very good for this vital organ. Experts say that it may also help ward off and even cure liver disease. It helps in suppressing inflammation. Consider it as a bad news when inflammation strikes for no apparent reason. This condition is associated with problems such as arthritis, cancer, obesity, osteoporosis and many others. The consumption of antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables can help prevent inflammation. Drinking hibiscus tea is also a great way to combat such damaging problem. Hibiscus tea helps with depression and anxiety. Constantly feeling down in the dumps? Make your day brighter simply by having a cup of hibiscus tea. Traditional healers have been using it for individuals bugged by depression. You may benefit from consuming the beverage if you are suffering from anxiety or panic disorder, as it helps soothe the nervous system. Taking the herbal tea helps you slim down. Based on studies, certain compounds in hibiscus tea help prevent the absorption of carbohydrates in food. It's no secret that the consumption of excessive amounts of carbohydrates can cause you to pack unwanted pounds. Drinking hibiscus tea for weight loss does not yield side effects, unlike many of today's slimming supplements. Drinking hibiscus tea is good for the digestion. For centuries now, people have been taking hibiscus tea to aid with digestion. A healthy digestion is necessary for the proper absorption of nutrients in the food you eat. The herbal tea is also known to promote regular bowel movement, thus it helps ward off constipation and encourages the flushing out of toxins. These are the health benefits you may enjoy for drinking hibiscus tea. Just like with anything else on the planet, it should be taken in moderation. The herbal tea is not suited for pregnant women or those who are trying to conceive. Because it has blood pressure lowering properties, hibiscus tea is not good for individuals with hypertension, low blood pressure. Aside from its multitude of possible health benefits, hibiscus tea is delicious and easy to prepare at home. Simply add dried hibiscus flowers to a teapot and pour boiling water over them. Let it steep for 5 minutes, then strain, sweeten it if desired and enjoy. Hibiscus tea can be consumed hot or cold and has a tart taste similar to that of cranberries. For this reason, it is often sweetened with honey or flavored with a squeeze of lime juice to balance the tartness. Dried hibiscus can be purchased at your local health food store or online. Hibiscus tea is also available in pre-made tea bags, which can simply be steeped in hot water, removed and enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.